Hey everybody, this is the Lawn Apprentice coming to you tonight talking about my front yard, a lawn fungus, and proper sharpening of your lawnmower blade. Stay with me, we'll be right back. Okay, so thanks for coming back. I wanted to show you an issue here. This is the lot that's in, or the space that's in between mine and my neighbor's yard. And I'm going to post a couple of pictures of this and show you. But I wanted to show you a couple areas here with this yard. And that actually looks like it may be a rust colored. Let's see if that will show up. I doubt it will. Let's see if it'll, no. Okay, so what happened is the other day I was cutting my yard and I happened to notice that there were some spots in my yard that looked like they had fungus back on them. And if you've been following me, you know that my yard had a really bad fungus problem in the spring that I had to overcome. So took some pictures of that, and if you're not part of an online forum about grass and lawns and things like that, then that's something that you really want to look into. But what I did is that I'm a member of one of those online groups. I took a couple pictures of the front yard, the parts that I was worried about, and I sent those pictures to that online forum, and they identified it. A couple things: my lawnmower blade needed to be sharpened, even though I had just bought this lawnmower blade. I'd done probably about 5-6 cuts with it. Went over to the world's worst zoysia yard and my buddy's house. I cut over there, and that probably dulled the blade some. So this morning I woke up and I went and I took the lawnmower blade to the lawnmower shop. They sharpened that one and a backup one for me. So that's something right there. Have two blades. Have one for your yard, and if you start to notice issues with your lawnmower, then you take it off and you put your backup blade on, and you take that other one to the lawnmower shop to get it sharpened. So what I did is I went to Home Depot. You can get this Home Depot, Lowe's, Tractor Supply, any of those stores like that. Big box stores, small box you can go to. And I got this Scott's Disease X, okay? And what I've been doing is I've been alternating the products that I put down for disease. Right now here in Georgia, it's the time that we have to start watching out for funguses. The rains may come in, the moisture, the humidity's up. It's just the right type of environment for the funguses to grow and for them to spread. So I alternate. In this one, I don't know if that active ingredient will show up there for you. I'm not even going to try to pronounce that. But that's the active ingredient in Disease X. Now what I have been using and alternating in is this product here, and I believe you call this propensical. And so I alternate those two in, and I'm going to put a picture up on the screen here so you'll be able to see the two products. You can also use Spectricide lawn and insect disease, and then there's one that's made by Bayer. That's also, you can get it in granular, and you can get it in liquid form that you just put on the end of your hose sprayer. It's a container kind of like this. It's already mixed up, and you can spray that out in your yard. So keep these empty containers. It'll help you with other things when you spray in the yard. Anyway, so I sprayed those out. Then I came back and oops, sorry, wrong product. I used my Micro-Greene, which I'm due for a refill on this. But I used my Micro-Greene to come on top of that, give me a good quick punch of some green, and that will also mix in some micronutrients into the soil. This stuff has got, I'm going to put a picture of this up on the screen too, but it's got potash in it, magnesium, sulfur, copper, iron, magnesium, zinc. So a lot of good things in this, but it's going to give me a green up effect where I've got those issues in my yard. So I sprayed probably about 28 ounces of that pure, not diluted. Sprayed it on the yard tonight in my ortho sprayer. If you remember correctly, the end of this puts out 2 gallons per minute. The setting is what you walk, what you want, how many gallons you want to put out per minute. I had it set on 3 and 2, so that was 6 gallons per minute that I wanted to put out. And that gave me the pretty steady walking speed. But then after that, I've just put that out, and so now I'm putting out an organic matter. And I'm going to take a picture of this so you'll have it. But I'm putting this chicken feed organic matter out, and I got this at Tractor Supply. There is no additives, preservatives, or anything in this. It's the crumble, and this is what it looks like in my hopper. I've got my hopper set on 6 right now, but I will probably increase that so I'll get the newer amount of organic matter introduced down into the soil than what I've already been doing. And the reason why I'm doing this, I'm trying to build my soil up. This does not do anything immediately. This is a long-term type of thing that I'm doing. I'm introducing organics into the soil. They'll break up, go down into the soil. The microbes will then take over. They'll eat the matter that's going in, and then they'll poop it out. And that's what greens your yard up, is the excrement from the microbes. So that's what I'm doing tonight, trying to make the soil tougher. I'm also trying to fend off anything that's in my yard, kill it off as far as funguses go. I gave it some of the Micro-Greene, and then again I come back to this organic matter, and that's what I'm going to do. It should take care of the issue. Again, keep alternating your fungicides in and out. Don't use the same product over and over and over, because your soil will build up a tolerance to it. I use this as the diagram of my yard, so I know how much that I'm putting out, how many pounds that I need, or how much per square footage that I need to put out. And so that's it. Just want to give you a quick update tonight, give you an idea of what to do with fungicides and what you can do to treat your yard if you do find something. Hope you enjoyed the video. Y'all have a good night now. This is the Lawn Apprentice out.